In this topic, I want you to think about your values and the messages that you want to associate with those values. These are going to be very, very important in the ultimate success of what you're doing. They will also fundamentally underpin your brand. We're going to talk about that later, but ultimately a brand is a promise, and the promise is underpinned by all the brand values that you have decided upon. I thought it might be useful just to go through some of the core values that we as a group felt important for Project Hillary. Our brand values included accessibility, inclusivity, originality, trust, and practical. So it's important. So everything we do, we look back at those values and think, actually, how is what we're doing adding value to one of those core values? You need to make a list of 5 or 6 words that really pick out the most important things to you. Once you've done that, then creating your many messages will be very easy, because you can always go back to your checklist and say, which of those core values does that message relate to? And of course it might be more than one of them. Again, you just need to be absolutely clear about this. You can add to these values as you go along. There's probably a lot more important values than the headline 5 or 6 that you choose, but start off with a few, and then you will actually make good progress in developing your brand in the future. So what is important to do as a result of this particular piece of work is just sit down and jot down the 5 or 6 most important things to you that underpin the value of what you're doing and the values by which you're being driven. Thank you.